Hey guys, Raven Black here, and I'm feeling really good today. Um, after I don't know how many of you watch Markiplier, but he did a live stream for like 12 hours. It was like really long. I didn't get to watch all of it, but I did watch I think like 8 hours of it, and like it was for the crisis hotline. You can either text it or call it, and um I've used the crisis hotline, um, and it's really helpful. Um, so if you guys are ever feeling like family problems, depression, suicidal thoughts, any of those, you can text the number. You'd have to look it up. I know it's only in America right now, so you guys would have to look it up. Because I don't know the number by heart. I can't remember it, but yeah, there's that. Um, Sorry, I'm also a little tired. But anyways, so like I feel really good that that they did that, and it made me feel important. I mean, I know I am important, but everybody has that moment where they feel down. But it made me feel really important, and I want you guys to know that you guys should also feel important. Um, 'Cause I know I say a lot that like I love you guys and stuff, because I do. I really do. I love you guys. And I want you guys to be happy. And I know it's a really hard fight, but I want you guys to keep fighting. And find people that will help you. Oh, sorry, my music's still going. Um, because there are people who care, me included. And I want you guys to go get people, to communicate with people who care. You can message me on here. You can go to my Twitter. Um, Crap, I'm sorry. I'm like trying to think. I'll put that down in the description below. I'm really happy though about that too. I had like yesterday, I had 70 followers, and all of a sudden I have 115 today. I'm just like, whoa. Um, it was just amazing. Like, it was fast. So thank you for all the people who subscribed to me. Well, subscribed, yeah, totally. But I mean, thank you guys for subscribing to me. But thank you to all the people who followed me. I drew Markiplier and Jack today. Well, not today, more like last night. And hold on, I'm getting there. Yeah, there's Tiny Bucketing, Sammy. But yeah. Cause to be honest, a couple nights ago, I had like a breakdown, and it was really bad for me. And I didn't reach out to anybody, and I know I should have, but I didn't. Until last night, I reached out to Aowen and Cami, and they were there for me. And it just, sorry, I can't stop yawning. it means a lot to me that people are there for me. I get told all the time that I'm there for people way too much than I am for myself. I mean, way more than I am for myself. And I think a lot of people are like that. And, you know, I'm yawning so much. I can't stop yawning. Anyways, I just can't help but be there for people. And I know I need to learn to be there for myself, because if I'm not there for myself, then I can't be there for people. So I'm trying to be there for myself as much as I can. I promise. So I want you guys to know that you are important, and I'm important, and everyone's important. You guys shouldn't hate on people, and even the haters. You guys shouldn't hate on the haters, because that just brings you down brings you down to their level, and then that's what they want. So don't stoop to the haters' levels and be mean to them as much as you want to. I mean, still stand up for yourself, though. I mean, obviously, you have to. I did it in a sarcastic way on iFunny. But, I was on iFunny a couple days ago, and I made a post. I made a meme, I guess, or whatever they're called, and it has something to do with Jack. Let me find it. Okay. Looking. I'm getting there. Holy crap. Okay. So I made a post about Jack, and it has Jack. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it. Well, no, you can't because it's so bright. Hey, maybe if I turn down the brightness on here. Hold on. Let's see if that. Oh, no. Maybe that will work. Come on. There you go. So it's Jack, obviously, and it says when people say Jack is stupid, and then a person, I'm not gonna put who they are, but they said fucking faggot. You watch a man child with an emo cut, but instead of saying an emo cut like an, they put en. But anyways, so I put the xd. Oh, it hurts so much. I can't take it. XD. I found it funny. And then for those who watched the live stream, they were talking about, so I follow this person on here, But it's like if you're watching the Markiplier live stream, then you'll get it. Let's touch Bilbo's. No, I said, oh no, not my Bilbo. Yeah, I found it funny. And then on this, because it was talking about how in love Markiplier and Amy look. And I said, I love Amy so much. I hate that there are many people giving her hate every day. Could you imagine trying to date someone famous with so many crazy fans hating on you and telling you to go kill yourself? It must be really hard. Something keeps popping up on my screen. That's creepy. Look at my eyes. And she's then I think it's a B. A Bob. It's Bob. Bob Biddy Bob Boberson. Luckily, Amy is mature about it and understands that they are just crazy fans. She is the best. I love Amy so much. She is so amazing. Like, I'm a big fan of Markiplier, but it's not like I'm gonna be like, oh, Amy, go kill yourself. No, I'm not like that. I love Amy so much, and they're so cute together. Like, cause yeah, I do ship Jack and Mark. I do like stuff to plow away, but like, I don't like hate on their significant others when they have them. Amy is just so amazing, and it's just, yes, I just love Amy. But anyways, yeah, that's what this video was about. I know it's pretty boring and everything, but you know, most of my videos are pretty boring. Anyway, so and I'm probably gonna get something to drink and eat. I'm probably gonna go take a nap, even though I got homework and stuff. I got algebra, I got science, all that fun stuff. I got biology too, because I have two biology. I have biology and science. But yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching, and hit that like button if you liked it. You know, comment and maybe subscribe. Yeah. And I will talk to you guys later. Alright? Bye!